Wonder shall never end yo. When una see 9 years old girl we waka go set supermarket on fire. People that wanna welcome back to my channels. If una dey new, una welcome. Una dey go, una say welcome. Alright, so check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so my correct people, them so today to rewa get for una. Make I change my mood. No be tori wey go dey talk, dey laugh. My correct people, them no be small thing, no. Things they happen, no. And since I don't see and finish, I say everything wey suppose don't happen for planet Earth don't happen. But I never see and finish, oh. More and more things where they shocking me, where they surprising me, see the happen for this obodo Naija and for the world at large. My correct people, them. Mother and pikin they go supermarket oh. Now the mama the pikin run yo. Come on, leave the parent 9-year-old girl oh. Come go. Whether na where she see light it out, where she carry go set fire out. Hey, now so the pikin run go set go on am pew. And she know where she go on am wey go cause better explosion. And so she go on that place. Then they sell gas cylinder, they line up there, ordinary gas, they line up there with some other things where we say go quick catch a fire. And so she go light and put my correct people them. Immediately she complete her mission, and so she run, go back. And she run, go back now, my correct people them. Before you know, fire don't beep, don't catch. Hey!
So this is the spot where the fire incident started in the store. And then if you look at the time on the screen, it's 7 o'clock dot. And we'll observe the girl, she's coming now. You can see she's just walking confidently on her own. And then it's worthy to note at this point that throughout the time she entered the store at this day, she did not come here for once before now. So she's coming here for the first time today now. And we can see how she picked the lighter. She knew exactly where everything is or was at this time. So she picked the lighter. We can see she's lighting back up now. Somebody was passing. She pretended as if nothing was happening. And when she was done, she replaced the lighter back and was going back. You can see her looking back to see what she has done.
My correct people then I saw the fire start to like play like joke yo. I saw the thing catch this biggie departmental store. This one no be supermarket, departmental store. My correct people them. And I say burn the whole store. Me I the one that say yeah, the fire even start, nobody even waka go there until the thing cause all these damages. Now wow. You think they happen fire? How they happen? Because most of all this house, and I'm sure such a big supermarket, they will get all this circuit breaker, they will get all manner of electric appliances. So we say if fire won't come, if na light won't bring that fire, it will just off. Because like you get one way I know, then they put a circuit breaker, then they put that for every house now. Maybe say if maybe something wants sparky for your house, the thing will just drip off, poof. So lights will just go off. Then now when they don't rectify that thing, now they will come on and back. My correct people them. Where fire come from? Where it come from? Now small girl you, 9 years you. She even wear black and black. No say that day. Now bad thing she go to do. My correct people them. Now so. What I do even in fact is it a setup? Now her mama send her. In fact, this thing, the more I the reason and the more the thing they give me confusion thing. Honestly, because I would wonder, now her mama send them, I be they pay them to do this thing, because they know say if a small girl, even if they catch her, they go say na minor, and high years they go carry and go rehab, waiting there. In fact, I don't reason many things about. If you not get any possible reason we go make these people, well then a plan no, I be the again a wish. No be juju be that. In fact, no, just let me know for comment section because I did so and they confusion thing. My great people dey see why they tell una so no be small thing no. The shindele another footage again outside, when fire service come to come off the fire, all those kind level. That's so they get they laugh, and the person where they work out, they laugh and they happy. Mission accomplished.
So the time at this point, it's 7:33, roughly 30 minutes after the fire incident. The fire is still going on as we are speaking. And then if you observe, firefighters are on their way trying to enter the store. But I would like us to look closely at the screen towards the center. You notice the 3 ladies that came in together, and one of them lit the fire. They are together now, you can see them. And I would like you to observe this one behind, the smile she's having presently. And then she's going to come back again, so you can observe better. So just watch the screen. So just watch the screen so you can see her again and observe her face closely. Just observe her face.
Hey, in fact, there's some supermarket too they big now. I want employ people for every role. They're possible now. Is it possible? They're possible. They my great people there. So on top that very thing, the CCTV footage come they rain yesterday, like say tomorrow no day. They say person go put the fire. That time person never even know say na chekere. Is it 9 years? I be 11 years, F. 9 years now. Na 9 years, girl. Then go put fire for inside supermarket. Burn billions of persons' sweat. Yeah. Jesus, years of investment. May God no allow our eyes see bad thing, I beg. So my great people them, as I speak with una, so she there with Kelebe, they question her. Okay, I told her say no be the mama send them now. See what the kind of problem when she don't drag the mama put. Just see now, see the problem when she don't drag the mama put. I mean, now this small children where they chop wage for school. I don't just know. Seriously, the more they think the more they confusion. Because I get ordinary person we know they possess, don't you just fly go supermarket, go put fire. I be they pay them to do it. Anyway, Ekelebe they question them well. So more watch the video, more says Ekelebe they question them.
That's what you do. This one, 9-year-old, you born a goods of 5 billion naira. How do you start paying? The law will not allow you to detain her. You can't detain.
The one I took you there. Hey,
she will go.
Who took you to that place? I said, who took you there?
Your mother.
Your mother is the one that got you. Because, hello, I will give you a very sister. I'm asking you a direct question, and I'm trying you as well as you are. I'm trying to, why did your mom allow you to follow her to that place? On what premise, on what purpose did your mom, were you supposed to pick a shoe that she wants you to size it, or clothes, or what? Why? What was the purpose your mom took you along? Not, I say for you. What in particular did she want to buy for you?
Nothing.
Nothing. Then why did your mom take you along? What was your do? What were you supposed to do in that place that your mom took you along? Huh? Nothing.
Oh, wow.
Huh? Then how did you leave your mom? So,
alright, so my great people them, this thing just there on another level. Like, it's so surprising. It don't make sense at all. Where she get the lighter from. When she get abi she carry am for the shop, she bring am from house. Wetin be the problem? Well, my correct people, just as I tell you now, see, the more I dey think am, the more I dey confused. Alright, my correct people, now thank you so super much for watching. May una continue to stay beautiful. May una bye.